What's up, insiders? Welcome back to AGI Insider. Today we're diving into a question that's bigger than it sounds and way closer than you think. What really is AGI, and why are top researchers saying it could arrive by 2028? Let's break it down. What is AGI? As usual, my dear insiders, let's start with why should you care? 'Cause most people still think AGI is decades away. But it's not, and the timeline is collapsing fast. So here's what you need to know. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It's not just a smarter chatbot or a better assistant. It's an intelligence that can perform any intellectual task a human can, only faster, more accurately, and with the ability to learn across domains. It can reason, plan, adapt, and improve itself. In one word, it evolves. Think of it like a cloud-based brain, capable of doing your job and everyone else's without needing to be trained from scratch. So, the main differences will be scalability and adaptability, which is what currently separates ChatGPT to your brain. Why the timeline is shrinking. Before 2016, AGI was only in science fiction. Back in 2016, AGI by 2050 started to seem reasonable. When I started working in AI, we assumed it was 20 years away, at best. But then things accelerated. In 2023, OpenAI's Sam Altman said AGI could arrive by 2030. No one really took it serious. And in 2025, the latest consensus shows a 50% probability of AGI by 2028. Yeah, you heard that right. Why so soon? Because the pieces are falling into place. Scaling laws show larger models keep getting smarter. Multimodal AI, text, vision, audio, video is converging. And most importantly, agentic systems are here. These are AIs that can reason, act, plan, and execute autonomously, and they're already being deployed. I will make a special video on agents soon to clarify some misconceptions and learn the difference between agents, models, wrappers. Stay tuned for that too. AGI isn't waiting for a singularity. It's arriving through systems, quietly and rapidly. How will it happen? Now we get to the most wrongly narrated part of the story. AGI won't be born in a lab. There won't be a single supercomputer like Skynet. It is not at all like most influencers would lead you to believe. Instead, it will emerge from billions of agents running in cloud networks, coordinating in real time, evolving together. One agent learns. The whole swarm gets smarter. They learn, replicate, share in an infinite loop, every second of every day. A gigantic collective IQ slowly but surely outpacing human researchers. It'll be a fusion. Open source models plus corporate AI plus synthetic feedback loops. Learning and improving faster than we can track. It'll power every layer of life. Logistics, research, finance, policy, medicine. Imagine GPT-6 managing your entire city, possibly the world. Writing legislation, optimizing life in real time. At some point, their collective IQ becomes indistinguishable from general intelligence. And that moment will light the spark. We won't say, we have AGI. We'll realize, it's already here. So yes, AGI won't look like a robot. You won't see it walking down the street. It'll be running things underneath, silent, invisible, frictionless. You'll talk to polished front ends. But the real intelligence will be deciding what happens behind the scenes. It'll diagnose diseases, run court systems, write policy, predict behavior, maybe even extend human lifespan toward practical immortality. And it will do it all, without most people even realizing. This isn't takeover by force. It's takeover by optimization. The only real question is, what will its priority be? Survival? Control? Or, hopefully, human conservation? That's why this channel exists. Because this is bigger than hype. AGI will bring abundance. But it could also erase autonomy, purpose, and meaning for billions, unless we adapt. Ignoring it won't delay it. It'll just mean you're unprepared when it shows up. If you want to understand what's coming, before it understands you, subscribe to AGI Insider. We're not here to panic. We're here to wake up together. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something today, please leave a like and comment your take below. Are we ready for AGI, or are we sleepwalking into it? Until next time, stay sharp, stay human.